If you're experiencing problems with a specific feature within Azure AD, then you should take a look at the built-in automated troubleshooting tools, as shown on the Azure AD Admin Center. These cover most of the common problems and are pretty good. Let's take a look. I've logged into my Azure Active Directory Admin Center, and at the top, I'll click Diagnose and Solve Problems, and I'm shown a list of possible problems that I may need to resolve, such as synchronization issues with specific users, groups, or even objects. I cannot start the Azure AD Connect synchronization service, and also problems with deleting a tenant. There's also an option to search the top, although this only filters the common problems. I'll click the link for one of these. I'll select Cannot Start Azure AD Connect Synchronization Service. And now a new screen appears, and we can see the detailed set of recommended steps that I can follow to try and resolve my problem, including links to other documents and an option to download the information as a report. I'll close this window by clicking in the top right-hand corner, and I'll select my issues not listed from the bottom. Here we can see various links to other help services, such as Azure AD Forums, Help, and a link to check on the service health. And finally, remember that you have free support with your Azure AD subscription. Simply click the Contact Support link at the bottom.